Meghalaya Post.news.
Khasi Student Union KSU Kelaban Kia Bahag State Reservation Policy ke Bathmai ke Jingbha Kam Bha Jam ke de Banlong San Phau Percent na benta ki Khasi Jentia Sau Phau Percent na benta ki Garo San Percent na benta ki Scheduled Tribes but San Percent na benta ke General ni unreserved category ka KSU Kelapan Pau Lor ke ni ke Jing Ajingmut ke de hadian ba benta ke singi ke IT ya ke Jing Ajingmut Chek Expert Committee hakabai de ke Jingbha Kam Bha Jam halor ke State Reservation Policy ke beriru ha public hearing ke balai singi ke belalong hanong ba Shillong Kembala pun pau di General Secretary ka KSU Sengkeme ba Donald W. Thaba ha gijing ajingmut Syaka Expert Committee keseng kala ajingmut ha keba lada khenya gijing bha kam katkum gijing bun paj ha preng khasi bat garo keseng ka ajingmut bade ban ai ka bha san phau percent ki khasi jentia bat sau phau percent na banta ki garo san percent na banta ki we ki ST bat san percent na banta ka general on reserve lapun pau ba Thaba kumunong ilam ka KSU
Already submitted our suggestion to the expert committee on reservation policy in the past few months, so we were invited now to interact directly with the respected members of the expert committee. So we once again raise the same suggestions that we have put forth. One of them is that based on, if we are going to be based on population, then we are of the opinion that the ratio of reservation between the Khasis and the Garos should be 50 Khasi Jentia, 40 Garo, and then 5% for other scheduled tribes and 5% unreserved. Just mark my words, it's not general but unreserved. That means open. And another option is that if that is not feasible, the 50, 40, 55, then it should be 90% open for the Khasi, Jentia and Garo. And then they say again 5% for the other tribes and 5% unreserved. That is our the two suggestions. And we also suggested that if the new reservation policy is going to come out, then it should not be retrospective, there should not be any backlog, but it should be fresh, it should start fresh. And the last suggestion is that we believe that with regards to education, reservation policy is also linked, and it is very important that when we impart education to the children in lower primary and primary, we have to converse, we have to interact with the students in the mother tongue. So we are suggesting that in the Garo Hills region, 100% reservation for teachers should go to the Garos. And similarly in the eastern region of Meghalaya, 100% reservation should be for the Khasi Jaintias, because we feel that a Garo will not be able, if we are going by the reservation 40-40 or 50-40, a Garo will not be able to teach a young Khasi school children in Khasi. Neither can a Khasi go to Garo Hills and impart education to the Garo school children. So with regards to education, for better quality of education, we are suggesting this 100% reservation for teachers in lower primary and primary, including SSA schools.
Meghalaya Post.news.